97% of people will never build real wealth. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard, but because they're trapped, and they don't even know it. I used to be one of them. I spent years doing everything right, working overtime, saving pennies, skipping vacations, and I was still broke. Then I discovered 4 invisible traps that were draining my wealth without me even noticing. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer. The moment you get a raise, your brain whispers, "You deserve this. Upgrade your car, get a bigger apartment, treat yourself. You deserve this." I got my first big raise, 20% more. I felt rich. Within 3 months, I had a new car payment, a more expensive apartment, and subscriptions I never used. My bank account? Exactly the same as before. See, most people think getting rich means earning more, but earning more means nothing if you spend more. The average American who earns $100,000 a year saves less than 5%. That's insane. The fix is embarrassingly simple. Every time you get a raise, pretend you didn't. Keep living the same way. Take that extra money and invest it. Your future self will thank you. I know what you're thinking, but what's the point of making money if I can't enjoy it? Here's the truth. It's not about never spending. It's about spending later, when your money is already working for you. Which brings me to trap number 2. Ignoring compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world, and most people completely ignore it. Let me show you why that's the biggest mistake you'll ever make. Here's a question. If I offered you $10 million right now, or a single penny that doubles every day for 30 days, which would you take? Most people grab the 10 million. But the penny? It turns into 5.3 million by day 28 and over 10 million by day 30. That's compound interest. Your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. But here's the catch. It only works if you start early. Time is the secret ingredient, and you're wasting it. You know what's the most powerful force in the universe? Compound interest. Start investing just $300 a month at age 25, and you could have over $1 million by retirement. Wait until 35, and that number drops to just $450,000. That's a $650,000 loss. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. Even $50 a month is better than zero. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Trap number 3, fear of investing. I hear it all the time. The stock market is gambling. I'll lose everything. It's too complicated. And I get it. I used to think the same thing. I kept my money in a savings account earning 0.5%. But here's what nobody tells you. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% returns per year for the last 100 years. 100 years. Through world wars, recessions, pandemics, it always went back up. Always. You know what is a guaranteed loss? Keeping your cash in a savings account while inflation eats it alive. That $100 you saved last year, 97, it's only worth $94 now. Your savings account is literally making you poorer. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to watch charts all day. You don't need this. Just put your money in a low-cost index fund, set it, and forget it. It takes 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes, to change your financial future. The biggest risk in investing isn't losing money. It's never starting at all. Every day you wait, you're paying the price of inaction. And that brings me to the final trap, and honestly, this one is the deadliest. Trading time for money. This is how 95% of people earn their income. You show up, work 8 hours, get paid. Miss a day? No money. Get sick? No money. Want a vacation? No money. I'm not saying quit your job. Your job is your foundation. But if your job is your only source of income, you're one layoff away from disaster. You need income that works while you sleep. Passive income isn't a myth. This is my rental property. These are my dividends. This is my online business. And these are my digital products, all working together on autopilot. This is the life I designed, just one. Start with one, just one side income stream. Maybe it's a YouTube channel, Maybe it's learning to invest in dividend stocks. Maybe it's selling a skill online. It doesn't matter what it is, just start. Build it nights and weekends. It took me 14 months to earn my first $100 of passive income. 14 months. But last month, that same system made me $3,000 while I was on vacation. That's the power of building something once that pays you forever. So let me recap. Stop inflating your lifestyle. Start investing early, even small amounts. Don't fear the market, fear doing nothing. And build at least one income stream that doesn't need you to show up. These 4 shifts, they separate the wealthy from the broke. Wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built by daily decisions. The question is, will you keep doing what 97% of people do, or will you be the 3% who actually break free? Start today. Your future is watching.